English logs at a software development firm. Discussing project timelines.
Hey, can we review the project timeline? I'm not sure we can meet the current deadlines with the current scope.
Sure. Let's align on the deliverables. We might need to reprioritize features to stay on track.
Talking about agile methodology.
I think we should adopt a more agile approach for this project. It will allow us to adapt quickly to changes.
Agreed. More frequent stand-ups and sprints might help us respond faster to client feedback.
Planning sprints with development team.
For the next sprint, let's focus on completing the user authentication module. Any blockers we need to address?
I'll need the latest APIs from the back-end team to proceed. Let's coordinate with them to ensure we're synced up.
Reviewing code quality.
We need to discuss code quality. Our last review showed several potential bugs.
Right. Let's allocate time in the next sprint for refactoring and testing. Ensuring code quality is essential.
Discussing resource allocation.
We're getting stretched thin on resources. How can we manage this without affecting our timelines?
Perhaps we can bring in a few more developers for specific tasks, or look into outsourcing some of the work.
Addressing client feedback.
The client had some feedback on the prototype. They want additional features in the user interface.
Okay, let's evaluate how these changes fit into our current sprint and adjust our plan accordingly.
Implementing new technologies.
I think it's time we explore using newer technologies like containerization for our deployment process.
That's a great idea. It could streamline our development and testing phases significantly.
Balancing technical debt.
We should address the technical debt we've accumulated in the past few sprints.
Agreed. Let's dedicate a portion of our upcoming sprint to refactoring and documentation.
Useful phrases. 1. Let's align on our sprint goals. 2. Can you review my latest commit? 3. Quick update on what I'm working on today. 4. We need to prioritize our backlog items. 5. Ready to deploy the new features. 6. I'm troubleshooting this critical bug. 7. The client provided some feedback on the prototype. 8. We should address the technical debt in the next sprint. 9. Let's focus on being more agile in our approach. 10. We need thorough testing before the next release. 11. Who's available to work on this task? 12. The UX needs to be more intuitive. 13. We're integrating a new API for this feature. 14. Let's optimize this for better performance. 15. Time for our daily Scrum meeting.